Next student, tautomerism. In tautomerism, here amide group also having tautomerism. Amides, CONH2 group is also having tautomerism. In this tautomerism, due to more polarization, removal of H from nitrogen is easy. So here CH3CO, example, now take the CH3CONH2. Here left side is hydrogen is there, right side also hydrogen. Which hydrogen transfer to formation of enol? So carbon having 3 hydrogens, nitrogen having 2 hydrogens. Which one is more acidic? So left side carbon and right side nitrogen. Nitrogen is more electronegativity compared to carbon. Nitrogen has highest electronegativity compared to the carbon. So nitrogen has more acidic hydrogen, sorry, more acidic nature. Nitrogen having 2 hydrogen, these 2 hydrogens are more acidic than this carbon hydrogen. Nitrogen, this nitrogen having 2 hydrogen, these 2 hydrogens are more acidic nature, more acidic than this carbon hydrogen. So here this generally this hydrogen shifting out of these two, which one is more acidic? Nitrogen, this amine NH2 group having 2 hydrogen, so this is the more acidic nature. So this hydrogen only transfer to formation of enol. This is very most important, student. Here carbon also hydrogens and nitrogen also hydrogen. Which one is more favorable? So compared to this one, carbon is less electronegativity than nitrogen. So nitrogen is more electronegativity. So that's why nitrogen has more acidic nature. So this H plus is easily breaking. H plus is easily removing from here. So H plus attacking the only oxygen side. This H plus only involved in the enolization compared to the carbon. So this is the less acidic. Why? Because of carbon has less negativity, so that's why it is less acidic nature. So more acidic nature hydrogen is more formation of enol. In formation of enolization very easily, because depends on enolization depends on acidic nature. So more acidic nature, more easily enolization, formation of enol. So this is the simple trick, student. So tautomerism participating, amide group also participating in the tautomerism compared to the aldehydes and ketones. Amide group is compared to aldehydes and ketones. Amide group is very fast enolization in the tautomerism. It is very most important. Carbonyl compounds and amide group. Amide group is more participating in the enolization due to the nitrogen is more electronegativity than carbon. So that's why it is easily participating in enolization or tautomerization. This is simple trick, students. Now take the one example. We'll give one example. Find out acidic order following compounds. Find out acidic order following compound. Find out acidic order following compound, that is NH2CONH2, CH3CONH2 and acetone CH3COCH3. Out of these following compound, which one has more acidic nature depends on electronegativity. So this compound, first compound having nitrogen is more electronegativity. For 2 amine groups are there, these are the more electronegativity. So this is the more acidic nature. So A is greater than, A is more acidic than B. Why? Because of, say, one left side is CH3 group is there, right side is NH2 group is there. So NH2 group is more acidic than, so A is more acidic. Here 2 nitrogens are there. In second compound only 1 nitrogen is there. So A is greater than B, B is greater than C. Why? Because what about this C? This is C is the less acidic. Why? Because of compared to carbon, less negativity compared to nitrogen. Nitrogen is more electronegativity atom, so that's why it is more acidic. Carbon is less negativity, so that is less acidic. So find out, what is the question? Find out the acidic order of following compounds. Means these acidic hydrogens are participating in the tautomerism. Only acidic hydrogens are participating in the tautomerism or enolization. So A, B, C, this is the simple trick for enolization, student. If you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you.